What's up, guys? We back with another one. Today we got a single cab all the way from Mississippi. Customer trailered it all the way down from Mississippi here to Rob's Customs in for a sunroof install. Some gray suede. Let's check it out. Alright guys, here's the truck. Clean headliner. I'm gonna go ahead and start removing everything off from the top, the pillars, top console, everything, and then we'll start getting our measurements up on top with the center line off the review mirror, and go from there. It's a nice truck, clean truck too. I was always thinking to get me one of these, same body style as my Sierra, but just in a single cab. But I still love the OPS body styles. Alright guys, we got interior taken out, we got the hole cut out. Check it out. Got it all cut out. We are setting the sunroof with the gasket that goes on top of it. We'll go ahead and set it on top, and then we'll start the process on the inside. Then we'll go ahead and put these airbags back on. Check it out, guys. Yeah, sticker right there for the headliner. Sick. Comes back a lot. Check it out. Everything's in play. I'm gonna do the headliner now. Alright guys, we got the headliner done. Wrapped in gray suede. It's gonna look good. It's real nice material. Alright, we're gonna hook it up. There she is, guys, all done. Came out badass. We did a silver suede on the inside. Came out clean. Let's check it out. Perfect. That's it, guys. That's it for the Sierra all the way from Mississippi. Shouts out to you, bro, for coming down here and making a trip here at Rob's Customs for a sunroof. This thing came out badass. There's a sunshade. Nice. Clean. And we put the button right here. Nice and clean. Sweet. Alright guys, that's it. Call a customer up, let them know it's done. Shout out to you, bro, for making the trip out here to Rob's Customs to New Mexico, all the way from Mississippi. My first one from Mississippi. Hopefully it's not my last one. Alright, let's wait for the customer. There she is, guys, another one done. Mississippi back, 16 hours.